How to do social media marketing, SMM. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pollen. Are you looking to grow your brand on social media? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do social media marketing, or SMM, in the most effective way. From understanding your audience to creating content that resonates with them, I'll cover everything you need to know to become an SMM pro. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, where you get the best tips to grow your brand on social media. In this video, I'm going to share some excellent strategies that will help you to make the most of your social media presence. So buckle up, and let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is know your audience. Every social media platform has a unique audience, and to create a successful social media strategy, you must understand your audience. Understanding their age, location, interests, and what they love to see will help you create content that resonates with them. Consistency is the key to success in social media marketing. You should be consistent with your posting schedule. Your audience should know when to expect your content, and that will keep them engaged with you. This will also help you to build a loyal following of people who want to hear more from you. Great content is what attracts and retains attention, engages and informs your audience, and creates a buzz on social media. Your content should be eye-catching, interesting, informative, and entertaining to keep the audience engaged. You can also experiment with different types of content, such as photos, videos, or live streams, to see what works best for your audience. Hashtags are a powerful tool that helps users to discover new content and reach a wider audience. Research trending hashtags in your niche and incorporate them into your posts to increase their discoverability. However, don't overload your posts with hashtags, as it will dilute the message. Engage with your audience regularly to build a community around your brand. You can respond to comments, ask questions, run polls, or host live chats to encourage engagement. This helps you to establish a personal connection with the audience, and they will be more likely to return to your page. Collaborating with other creators is an excellent strategy to reach new audiences and grow your following. Find creators in your niche and collaborate with them to create useful, informative, and entertaining content that your respective audiences would love. That's it for today's video. You're now equipped with all the knowledge on how to do social media marketing, SMM, in the right way. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.